Hello there, this is Erricos Santis from Online Solutions Network. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to explain to you how you can use my free system, a completely free system that I'm going to give to you in order to get leads for MLM company. Uh, Due to these troubles and things with the coronavirus that we have now, a lot of people are staying home. Okay, a lot of us are trying to make a living, working online because here the governments and everybody has sent people home and they are telling them work from home. So people are looking for ways to work from home. If you have any system, any company that you are trying to sell something or create a network of people, then you hear the story that you need to have a list. Okay, you need to have a subscribers list. A subscribers list is the number of people that like what you're saying, a number of people that are following you. Okay, uh, to whatever you are doing, whatever you're writing in the social media platforms. And this list is the list that is going to uh, give you the customer, the people that want to buy from you. Okay. Uh, it has not been easy, showed me. Building a list has not been very easy for me, but finally I have managed to do it using a system that is proven for a lot of years. The system is called platform. Actually, it's a platform. It's not a system. It's a marketing platform, and it's called Power Lead System. The link for the Power Lead System is going to be underneath this video, so you can check it out. Through this marketing platform, we have created what is called capture pages. What you see here is a capture page. Okay, that has been made inside this power lead system. Okay, so you are marketing a link. Everything is explained inside the marketing plan how you can do these things. Step by step videos and step by step tutorials will show you how to do this. Okay, but let's see what this capture page is doing. Okay, as soon as somebody lands on this capture page, there is a small video that he can see here. Okay, clicking on the video, there is a 5-minute video explaining what's the system all about. All right, then if they like what they see here, are you ready for success? We provide full training and support. They do the work, you get paid. Finally, new done for you system pays you passive income on the work that hundreds, even thousands of others do. Start here. It's easy. Share our turnkey marketing tools. Okay. And here is your picture. Here's your name. Everything. This the whole the whole page here will be the whole page here will be on your name. Okay, you will have your own picture here, your name here. So if somebody lands on this page and they click here, they need to put their name here. Okay, since they need to put their name here and their email, and actually you can change this and ask for the email only if you want, or you can ask for the name, email, and phone number. Let's say they put a name here, okay, and they put an email here, whatever email. Make sure that it is a Gmail, a good email. I'm just testing out here just to show you what will happen. And they click on the link, they click on the get instant. Then we have here the simulator. Let's see how it's going to work. You are almost there. Marketing system, congratulations and welcome. Get fully set up in the next 5 minutes. Okay, start here. Millions of MLMers, top tiler marketers, affiliates, internet entrepreneurs worldwide need these powerful income growing tools to get more traffic, leads, and profits. Yes, secure my spot. Okay, and they are down here. We show them the funnel. Okay, how the funnel is set up and how it works. And they need to continue again. Your name and your picture here. Continue. This is how you collect leads. Okay, congratulations and welcome. Get the funnel fully set up with these few clicks. And here is a tutorial how to get the funnel. Okay, the funnel is inside the Power Lead system. The Power Lead system is the system that is going to help you to do all this. It has its own autoresponder. It has, I don't know, 14 messages that will follow whoever gives you their email. And in those 14 messages, there will be every other message. One of the messages will be for your MLM business. Okay. So one day they get a message, they get an email about the MLM company that you are going to share. Okay, so let's say that somebody has already signed in here, and they get the email from the Power Lead system. A Power Lead system is a 7-day free trial. Okay, they have 7 days to look at it free and decide if they like it or not. Okay, once they are inside the Power Lead system, this is how it will look. Okay, this is the back office of the Power Lead system, and here is the easy buttons. Okay, click here. Once you create an account in the Power Lead system, following these buttons here to the right will get you set up. Okay, but easy. Click here, start here. Once you click on the easy start here button, there is a small video that you have to watch, and here is where you are going to put your MLM business company site or whatever you like. Okay, and you put the name here of your website, and there is 2 funnels you can follow, 3 funnels you can follow. Take the tour here. How do I market my link? Everything is set up inside here. Everything is set up. No, all the training, is done here. Training. Here is a training, Power Lead System training. Welcome. Beginners training, compensation plan, schedule, replays, marketing, case studies, ongoing training. I don't know, my internet is very slow now. We even had a small earthquake today, about an hour ago, 3.5 Richter earthquake. Anyway, let's forget about the training. It doesn't open up. And all this training in here is from the Power Lead system, but actually you need to upgrade a little bit. With the free system, you just get the beginners training, let's say. What else can I show you inside? Websites. Power Lead system has been around for years now, okay? And there is a lot of things, a lot of funnels. These are all the funnels that are inside. All the funnels that are inside that they have been created by other people, and actually you can copy them. You can copy and use them. The funnels come with autoresponders. You can connect your own autoresponder, or you can use the autoresponder of the Power Lead system. Emails and text, send campaigns, view and edit campaigns, automated holiday messages. They have e-cards, they have visual postcards, they have text notifications, promote your business, traffic generation, uh, email swipe copy. They even give you the emails. Let's see. If you click on the email swipe copy, they give you the emails here, which actually you see the emails are already, because I have my own domain here. I have my domain here, and it's all set up in the system. Whatever I click, is marketed to me and my. They even have my phone number here, my name, my phone number. Whatever I send out, if I copy this email and I send it to my name, it comes just like this. All these are the email swipes. Okay, and actually the Power Lead system is an affiliated site also. You can become an affiliate here. There is a free system, then it's a $30 per month system, and then it's a 50 something. Let me see if I click here. Here is a compensation plan. It shows you how all the uh, how all the compensation plan is for the company. You can add your picture here, and as you progress in the system, as you progress, you can buy to the next ones. Okay, you can buy the free ad secrets. I bought this before when I had an old account with the company, but this time I opened and I started fresh on this one. Okay, this is the free advertising secrets, which is 147. Okay, if one of your downlines buys the 147 one-time payment, then you make 100. Okay, you make 100 commissions if they buy this. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to leave it up to here. This is a social academy. Social academy is social academy. I don't remember how much it is. Okay, it's 495, 497. But there is a lot of value in this. There is a lot of value. I mean, any marketer should have this. Any marketer. I have been looking around for a marketing system for long now. Okay, I have also tried a lot of marketing systems. Uh, I cannot even name them. Too many, too many. But Power Lead system seems to be the easiest one, and for any new marketer, it's easy to follow. And in this group that I am in, we already have the share codes to give you to help you in any marketing system, in any uh, lead building list. Okay, if you want to build a list, then we have the system for you. Click the links below, and let's see you inside the Power Lead system.